In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix playback speed on Amazon Prime Video not working. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is completely close the Amazon Prime Video app and reopen it again. Sometimes the app may temporarily glitch, and simply restarting it can instantly fix the playback issue. If that does not work, next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next up, if you're connected to any VPN, disable it. VPN can sometimes interfere with streaming services. Likewise, toggle on for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This refreshes your device network connection and can often solve temporary streaming problems. If the issue still continues, check for app update. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Amazon Prime Video. Click on the app. Now if you see the option of update over here, click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.